love this store so much. Alright guys, so you guys know that I was looking for apartments for Jose's mom, and we finally finalized, or we got the apartment, and she's moving in very, very soon, and I want to make her a like welcome home gift bag. So I'm looking for some things here. A lot of Halloween stuff is out now. Christmas things are out now, so I'm thinking to do like a Christmas gift box, but we'll see. I'll show you guys what I have little by little. Alright guys, we finally reached the pajama section. I know everyone has these because I've seen it all over the internet, but this is what I got so far for his mom. I think I set this up cute. I don't know, he's floating somewhere, but I'm pretty sure she'll put him somewhere. And I chose the Christmas theme because it just matches better with all the things they have.
You know they got no extra large?
For men's?
Or large.
What about for me?
What
get
size
mine.
you gonna get?
Small.
A small, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure? A small? I think you're medium. I got large.
Should we open it? What size is that one? No, you gotta open a small one.
That's medium. Woman.
Stop by Kia.
Where's my
Over there. Hey guys, so the table at Target was kind of pricey and it was kind of big. It wasn't that expensive, but we're gonna try Kia to see if we get like a smaller,
organized
more
table.
organized table, because I don't want his monitor and that big ass chair to be the center of the living room. I don't know. So we're in Ikea. We're gonna find out if we can find a black one.
That's the side table.
This is so cute. I love the way they decorate. Wow, honey. If you know, you already know, we reached the exit. So now we're picking up the laptop table. With not a laptop, this is monitor, but we need to get rid of. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Back home, you guys. Before I start cooking, I am gonna clean up my house a little bit. Well, not clean up, but as you guys know, I guess I'll do a little bit of unboxing with you. Oh, why not do a little bit of unboxing? So I got himself this, what do you call this again? Storage, like a storage bin, because he has all his boxing stuff, which I do not appreciate. Look, it's all on the floor as if it was some kind of decor, and I hate it. Absolutely hate it. So I'm gonna put all his boxing stuff here and put it in the balcony. And I didn't just leave it out in the balcony because sometimes it rains and then his stuff gets ruined. So what is going on with this? Clip right here. Okay. And then so he doesn't like to put his things out. He doesn't like to put his things outside. So there's no excuse now because we're putting these bad boys in. You already know. Okay guys, I'm gonna start building this little monitor. You guys seen the prank that Josue did on me? I know you guys seen it. So if you haven't already, make sure you go watch his latest video. He pranked me and I got really scared while I was sleeping. And I wanna prank Josue back so bad. Like, I wanna prank him. Make sure you DM me some ideas on how I can prank Josue and scare the jibbies out of him, because he really got me. And a lot of people are like, Leslie, make sure you get him back. And I'm like, yeah, I need to get him back. In my mind, I was already thinking it. I was like, oh my God, I gotta get him back so bad. But like, I'm not gonna use the same mask he got, you know? I gotta get me a new mask. So I'm trying to figure out what mask or how should I scare him and what should I prank him with. Or it could be anything, to be honest. At least I just prank him, but I would love to scare him because he swears he can't get scared of anything. And this screw is not going in. dining table. Now that is where Josue currently has his gaming stuff, but that's because we didn't have a situation. Now we have a situation going on. I can put his shoes away. Okay guys, I know this is a bit much out of place, like it looks like it doesn't belong there. However, when my mom was here during the hurricane, me and her slept in my room and this monitor was actually in my room, but Josue actually slept outside, so that's why I had the monitor out here. And I'm like, it's probably better that I leave it out here because now he got this chair. So we got a better chair that actually matches, then I'll put it. But I know it's a little bit out of place right here, but for now, this is what it's gonna give. It's giving this for now. I'm gonna start cooking now. That was done. That only took me like about 30 minutes probably. Not long at all. That was really fast actually. But I'm happy that it looks neat and it doesn't just look like shoebox. I wasn't gonna record this because I have not ever made pastelón, but I love the way it's looking, so I want to show you guys. And I didn't have a small pan, so I'm hoping that it can bake in this little section right here. Hi everybody, I am back to finish off this little vlog. I was gonna do a video with Josue, but we're gonna wait till we have our like matching outfits on and stuff like that. But I just wanted to do a little bit of unboxing. Even though I showed you all, well, I showed you some of the stuff that I was getting at Target. Nonetheless, I wasn't doing a big shopping spree or anything like that. I just wanted to go get Josue's mom a welcome home, welcome to your new apartment, little gift. And I felt so happy to do that, and I'm glad. And then I also wanted to get this throw. So this is one of the things I want to show you guys. This color throw, I've been dying to get this throw. Not even just for like Halloween or Thanksgiving or fall. I really just wanted it because I know it would look really cute with this, with my couch. So that's one of the things I got. And then I'm gonna show you the cutest thing that Josue got us. So he got us matching pajamas. Super cute. They're skeleton. Oh, we're gonna put this on. We was gonna put it on today, but he's too slow for me. So I just have my Halloween pajamas on. So we got the matching pajamas. He was supposed to get socks because he didn't want to get slippers because he doesn't like slippers, but we didn't find any. But he still got me slippers. They're so cute. They say spooky on them. I can't wait to put them on. I'm actually gonna put them on right now. If you know, you know I love slippers, and that's the only way I walk around my house. It's not barefooted with slippers. So cute. Ah, they feel like clouds. Oh, I love it. Honey, you missed out.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So I'm gonna show you guys now what I got for his mom as a welcome to your new apartment gift. Okay. I gotta take out these tags. Okay. So first is this stackable storage. I guess you can use it for storage. This is it, and it has the candles here. I guess you can hang this up somewhere, which is really cool. So I got this. I wanted a basket and I wanted to fill it up with a few things, but I thought it would be a great idea to have something like she could actually use this for whatever she wants. Ooh, now that I'm gonna mention, I can tell her to put little towels in here. I just thought about that. She can put little towels in here. She can put whatever she wants in here. So I got her this to fill it up with. Hold on. Blanket. So I was going for a fall gift box kind of thing, but because they have so much Christmas things, I was like in love, and Josue told me that she would really appreciate Christmas more than Halloween and anything like that. So I'm satisfied. So I got her this blanket. So one of the main things that I wanted to get her was definitely a blanket, a throw. I definitely wanted to get her a candle, and they had some really cute little mini candles at Target, and this is for the Christmas collection. I want this for myself. I could put this in my bathroom. This is a candle. It's a first snowfall scented candle. So I'm gonna put that in here somewhere. So I was indecisive on getting the bigger snowman, but then they had these 3, and I was like, damn, I don't know which one to get. And also was like losing his patience at the store. I'm just like, this one is so cute. It has 3 of them, and she could like do whatever she wants with it. And he was like, yeah, this one is cute for like family. And I'm like, okay. And then I got her kitchen blanket, not blanket, dish towels, which is really cute. It says Merry Christmas on it. I want this for myself. Like, I can't wait to like shop for my apartment and just decorate for Christmas. Like, that's what I'm really looking forward to. I didn't get to do that last year. I didn't get to put up a tree in my apartment or anything like that. I didn't have anything in my apartment for that matter. But I cannot wait to decorate my apartment in a whole bunch of Christmas decor. But this is it. It has 2 blankets, 2 towels. It just doesn't feel like towels. So this, I'm gonna fold like really cute. Oh wait, one more thing. I got her a Home Sweet Home postcard, and I was like, I am not leaving Target till I get her a postcard, because I don't want to tell her I got her something, and I don't want Josué to spill the beans either. He's always spilling the beans.
We ready?
So I want it to be a surprise, and I'm gonna put obviously my name in it, and I'm gonna translate what it says in here in Spanish. Look, I love it. Look, honey.
Cute.
It's cute. Box is empty, pictures up, no more movers mess. Take some time to celebrate at your new address. Wishing you rooms full of happiness. Alright guys, I finished writing. Cajas vacías, fotos arriba, no más desorden de mudanzas. Tómate un tiempo para celebrarlo en tu nueva dirección. Te deseo habitaciones llenas de felicidad. Yay!
Aww, that's
This is cute. This is my favorite part of the gift. I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your continuous support. I love every single one of my supporters, and I hope you all are enjoying the festies, Halloween coming up, Thanksgiving. I can't wait for all of you to be with your family and be united and eat and all that good stuff. Can't wait to do a try-on haul for you guys. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you'll be alerted every time that I post. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, comment down below for you know who, because payback is a beast.